So where does engine knock come from? Most engine knocks come from the rod bearings. So the rod bearings are located around here. So one half is pressed into here and the other half is pressed on top here. And the crankshaft would be the one in the middle. So as these rod bearings wear down, they increase the gap between the crankshaft and the bearing, and the oil cannot compensate for that gap. So what ends up happening is when the piston is on its way down because of the power stroke, it's going to collide with the crankshaft, and the bigger the gap created from the worn out bearing, the louder the knock is going to be. So these bearings wear down for mainly one reason. It's going to be oil starvation. Now oil starvation can come from many things, like a failed oil pump or a clogged pickup tube, or just a bad engine design like the Kia engines. And to fix this issue, it's mostly going to be an engine teardown job. Sometimes you could get away by just replacing the bearings, but sometimes the crankshaft took a beating as well. So that's why every time you hear an engine knock, it's going to be expensive on your wallet.